So now we are first going to read the poem. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. One fell on my nose. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. One fell on my toes. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. One fell on my head. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. Yellow, orange, red. And now you know the poem by heart. Many of you have recited this poem. And now we are going to see whether we can read it by ourselves. So, leaves are falling. I'm going to pick up leaves are falling. This is a sentence strip. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. One falls on my nose. Okay, I put them back. The next, leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. One falls on my toes, and I search for the sentence here. One falls on my toes. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. One falls on my head. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. One falls on my head. And the last sentence. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. Yellow, orange, red. Leaves are falling. Leaves are falling. Yellow, orange, red. So we finished our sentence strips. And now we are going to see if we recognize the words. Leaves are falling. I picked up the sentence strip which says, leaves are falling. And then I look at all my words and see leaves are falling. One falls on my head. Let me see if I can find all the words. One falls on my. I have on my and on my head. One falls on my head. And this is the way we complete all the reading. The last thing that you can do to practice is jumble up all the letters, jumble up all the words. And now we can just sort them out. Leaves, falling, head, falling. So I match it here. And we finish all of them like this. This completes your lesson. All you need is card paper like this. This can be cut from chart paper size, and this can be cut into 3 strips. 3 strips like this. Your writing has to be clear and in print. I have not used cursive writing. I've used it in print. Leaves are falling, because we are still teaching children, it's still teaching them through sight. You could also use these visiting card. These make very good flashcards. These could be used for single words. For sentence strips and word strips must look different. And sentence strips.